Hi, my name's Bobby Qureshi. I'm the Education Director for the College of Naturopathic Medicine. Today, I'm going to share some of my top tips with you on which oils you should and shouldn't use in your kitchen. Cooking oils. So many people ask me, what oils should I cook with? Which ones are best? Which ones are safest? So here are my top tips. First of all, I generally recommend coconut oil as being one of the most stable oils. It contains what we call saturated fats, which means the fats in that oil are very stiff and rigid, and they're basically not going to be damaged, even at super high temperatures. So generally, coconut oil is a very safe go-to when you're thinking about cooking, even at higher temperatures. One of my other favorites is extra virgin olive oil. And I'm really emphasizing the extra virgin here because normal olive oil, which has been refined, doesn't have those amazing antioxidants packed in there that make the oil more stable when it's being cooked. When we heat extra virgin olive oil up, there is a chance that we might create some of these tiny compounds called free radicals. And we don't want many of those because they are not beneficial for our health and actually in excess can be quite damaging. But the amazing thing about extra virgin olive oil is that it has a really high content of antioxidants, which basically mop up all of those free radicals. So when you're cooking with extra virgin olive oil, especially if it's at a slightly lower temperature, you should really reap the benefits of the nice flavors from the olive oil in there, and also that being therefore quite stable for cooking. I tend to use temperatures of around 150 to 160 degrees Celsius if you're roasting that. And generally, if you're going to use that in a dish and you want it to be at higher temperatures, you may add in a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, perhaps at the end of the dish. Another oil which we've more recently known about that's actually quite stable to cook with is avocado oil. Now, avocado oil equally has a lovely taste to it, and it's also quite stable. So similar to the extra virgin olive oil, it's got lots of antioxidants in there. So even if there are a few of those free radicals formed, they basically get mopped up and don't really cause too much of a problem. But once more, don't go too high with your temperatures here. Try and stick to lower temperature roasting, or if you are going to use this to fry with, make sure it is quite low in terms of temperature. And the oils that you definitely want to avoid with any forms of temperature will be your vegetable oils. Make sure you avoid those because they're very, very, very prone to creating a barrage of free radicals which can damage cells all around the body. They don't have all of the antioxidants like the other oils, and even when they do, they can't quite manage to mop up all of those free radicals formed. So be a little bit cautious there. You know, I love using oils like flaxseed oil, but I would never cook with that because that can be a bit of a problem. So if you're going to use something like flaxseed oil, then you can just drizzle that at the end of a dish and perhaps over a salad. So top tips here, make sure your oil is stable, ideally using a saturated fat like coconut oil, and if not, you can go for what we call unsaturated oils, things like extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, or you could use macadamia oil. Thanks for watching this video. I'd like to offer you a free online class. To access this, please click the link below in the description section.